This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening YouTube Studio and going straight to content. You want to work on a real video now. Make sure your account is verified and two-step authentication is active so you won't hit restrictions during publishing. Upload your video file, then immediately add the working title, description draft, and a ready thumbnail sized 1280 by 720. This keeps the process smooth. Once done, select visibility as private so you can configure details before going public. Now you focus on metadata because discovery depends on it. You should place the primary keyword near the start of the title and write a concise first 2 lines of the description that explain value. Search uses them. Add relevant tags and pick a category and explicitly set the audience, made for kids or not, to avoid demonetization. Then create chapters in the description, add cards and an end screen, and toggle monetization settings. These actions directly affect watch time and revenue. Finally, decide whether to publish now, schedule, or set a premiere. Scheduling lets you optimize release time. Confirm copyright checks and review automatic captions for accuracy, and verify that thumbnails, end screens, and cards appear correctly in the preview. Hit publish or schedule and monitor the video's processing status. If problems occur, like failing upload or blank thumbnails, check the upload progress, inspect the browser console for errors, clear cache, or re-encode the file at H200.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.